So we're going to start off with a white PVC. We're going to have a wood stick. We're going to make sure we have a brown spray paint as well as some red spray paint. We're going to make sure we have some twine, and lastly but not least, we're going to have some wrapping paper. So you're going to start off with your white PVC. You are going to make sure you spray paint it with the red. And when that is done, it should look a little bit like this. So with the wood stick, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to spray paint it red. I would suggest at least 2 coats, and when that is done, it should look a little bit like this. So with the twine here, what you're going to do is make a little knot here, a little knot here, and a bow right here in the middle. So as you can see here, the wrapping paper one is the shortest, following is the PVC, and then is the wood stick one. You want to combine those two right here, and you're just going to put the wood stick inside the PVC, whoop, like so, and you're just going to move it inside, and then you're going to move the PVC one inside the gift wrapping one. And that's seriously all there is to it, you guys. Now you have your Goku power pole.
Yep.